San Luis Obispo County continues to make progress in the fight against coronavirus, officially entering the red tier of the state's reopening plan today. News Channel 12's Dave Alley is live in San Luis Obispo County, where there were a lot of smiles at the weekly COVID-19 press briefing. Dave.
There certainly were, Scott. And a quick note right off the top, we are located close to a shooting range near the San Luis Obispo County Sheriff's Office, where we're at here at the Joint Information Center, so our viewers may hear some occasional gunfire like right now off in the background. Now, as you did mention, Scott, yes, a lot of positives to take away from today's county COVID-19 press conference. Public Health Officer Dr. Penny Borenstein setting the tone really right off the top of the bat, saying that she has nothing but good news, pointing out all the key metrics continue to head in the right direction, a trend the county has been experiencing now for the past several weeks. Case rates, active cases, positivity numbers, and so on. All those decreasing to levels the county has not seen in many months. And now today did mark the official start of the county's red tier designation. First time in more than 3 months the county has been out of the state's most restrictive phase. That's the purple. Today also marking the debut of the county's new lottery-based vaccination appointment system. That came online this morning, but according to Dr. Borenstein, registration for next week's appointments lower than expected, just 2,300 by this afternoon, with about 8,500 spots to fill.
I believe that many people in the population got used to our Thursday morning appointment opening, and perhaps were waiting for that period of time. Right now, people can and should go in to recoverslo.org/vaccines and fill out a registration form to be selected for an appointment next week.
Now, vaccinations through the lottery is for residents 65 and older, as well as healthcare workers. Education and child care workers who became eligible this week do not have to enter the lottery. Those appointments are being made by employers. As for opening up vaccinations to the greater population, Dr. Borenstein unsure right now on a timeline, but is encouraged by increases in supply. The lottery, by the way, is for first dose appointments only. Those who have already had a second dose and are needing to schedule a second dose appointment, they can already do that right now through the recoverslo.org website. The county, by the way, is also sending out reminders to folks that are in need of a second dose appointment, so when they can book those when the time is right. That's the latest from here. Reporting live in San Luis Obispo County, Dave Alley, News Channel 12.
Certainly good to know there is more vaccine available, Dave. Thank you. Let's take a look at the numbers reported today out of San Luis Obispo County. 2 new deaths related to COVID-19. 238 people have died of coronavirus in SLO County. The county also reported 27 new cases today. There are now 422 active cases. 16 people are hospitalized, with 5 in intensive care. More than 19,000 people have recovered. Since the pandemic started, Paso Robles has led the way with the highest amount of cases. It is still that way today, 3,903. San Luis Obispo, 3,713. Atascadero, 1,854. And we see there have been 2,382 cases reported at the California Men's Colony.